In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Amazon to eBay in a complete tutorial. We'll break down the entire process step by step, ensuring that you have all the tools necessary to start dropshipping effortlessly. Let's dive into the first step, which is finding winning products on Amazon. The key here is research. Head over to Amazon's website and utilize the search bar to look for items that are in demand. Make sure to check for a few important details. You'll want to verify that the item is available for Prime shipping, as this ensures quick delivery. Also, check the reliability of the seller to avoid any potential hiccups down the line. Finally, steer clear of Amazon branded packaging when possible by opting for third-party sellers. Imagine you come across a product on eBay selling for $49.99. If you find the same item on Amazon for $32.99, after eBay's approximate 13% fee of $6.50, you could be looking at a profit of $10.50 per sale. Now, that's a tidy margin. Next, you'll want to list your products on eBay, which you can do manually or with automation software. For those who prefer the manual route, head to eBay's Seller Hub, navigate to Listings, and then select Create Listing. It's similar to adding new inventory with a few tweaks. Copy the product title, images, and description from the Amazon listing, but remember to edit the title for better search engine optimization. Sprinkle it with buyer-friendly keywords to make it more appealing. When setting your price, aim for a markup of 20% to 40% over Amazon's price to ensure profitability. Choose a standard shipping option with a handling time of up to 3 business days to keep buyer expectations met. Once you're satisfied with the details, you can save and publish your listing. Handling orders is straightforward, and there are automated options for those who prefer hands-free operations. When a buyer purchases from you on eBay, you're notified via the Seller Hub. At this point, go to Amazon, order the same item, but make sure to use your buyer's details for shipping. Amazon will then ship directly to your eBay customer. If you opt for tools like AutoDS or DSM Tool, these can significantly save you time by automating ordering and tracking updates. Speaking of tracking, once Amazon sends the item, copy the tracking number from your order. Go back to eBay, navigate to orders, and add the tracking number so your buyers can track their package in real time. If you're using automation software, this step is often automatically handled for you. Finally, let's discuss customer service and returns. If a customer requests a return, guide them to ship the item back to your Amazon return address. Alternatively, request a return label from Amazon, process the refund on Amazon, and then proceed to issue a refund through eBay. A tip to maintain your brand's identity is to avoid mentioning Amazon in your communications. Always respond as your eBay brand, ensuring you maintain professionalism and enhance your customers' trust. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, maximizing your profits and delivering stellar service to your customers. Thanks for watching, and